Hey, it's Jimmy Grappone here with JPAR Carolina Living Real Estate. Hope you're doing well today. We have our winter edition of the things to consider when buying a home ebook. We also have things to consider when selling a home. So if you're interested in, if you're thinking about buying or selling and you just want to know, before maybe you're a few months out, maybe you just want to know what's going on or what you need to know if you are considering buying a home or selling a home, this is a great resource. So just to kind of give you an overview of what it looks like, table of contents, what's happening in the housing market, expert insights for today's home buyers, 3 trends that are good news for home buyers, top reasons to buy your home, to own your own home, the non-financial benefits of home ownership, why buying a home may make more sense than renting, the long-term benefit of home ownership, tips for buyers in today's housing market, a crucial first step, mortgage pre-approval, things to avoid after applying for a mortgage, and a trusted real estate advisor provides expert advice. So you've got all these great articles and just short pages that will explain a lot of what you need to know if you're thinking about buying a house or selling your house. And this does not take the place of a home buyer or home selling consultation, but this is a good first step. So if you are thinking about making a move this year, let me know. I can email this to you so you can sit down and read it. Obviously, I guess you could just pause and read on your screen, but it might be a little easier and more enjoyable to get it and read it on your tablet or print it out. So just let me know. You can contact me directly. You can call or text me, 704-703-2021. That's my business number, or even my personal cell, 704-313-8514. Let me know if this will help you out, and I'll send you a copy today.